guys, it's Lars Pearson here at MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on a new 272 Sailfish we just got in. It's also about this boat. It's the first one we're about to test drive with twin 250s. New option for 2024 model year. You see the white Yamahas on the back. Back here along the transom, I'll let you know about. Rod holders back here. You got 8 across the transom. You know, this boat could seriously fish, and then when you do want to spend some time just cruising around the bay, you have that ability with the amenities that I'll go through. Close this back seat here. This will fold completely up and out. Nice comfortable backrest. Your bilge access is underneath this. This hatch lifts up nice and easily. Back here you do have your live well. And then on the port aft section on the swim platform is a little cooler area. So if you do go anchor out anywhere, you throw a couple beverages in there with some ice, you don't have to climb up back in the boat. Another feature that's cool about that is when you do climb back in the boat through the steps, you have a freshwater washdown, and then before even getting on the boat, if you need to change a stereo, you can do so without having to walk up to the helm. Pretty neat. So here on your lean post, we have an extra live well, a sink on this port side that comes up, some rod cup holders, and storage underneath, and a nice detachable cutting board. Very large helm seats, super comfortable for running offshore and or around the bay. Flip up armrests and bolsters. Rod storage under the gunnels. Great place to put a boat pole, a boat brush, or rods. Twin screens, Yamaha display, your switching systems. This boat did come equipped with joystick, which is an awesome feature. And the nice thing about this joystick does incorporate autopilots and all that sort of thing on these new boats. PFD storage up in the top. You'll notice a two-tone here. This matches the exterior of your boat. Nice little e-box up here. VHF, switching for lights. Rod holders across on the back of the T-top, and the speakers built into the T-top. Up on top of this helm, you'll notice a nice compartment. Throw your phones in there, wallets, all that sort of stuff. Keeps it nice, high and dry, and a great place to access. The back port side does have a dive door on this boat. Open that right up if you do need to bring in, a big catch. Or if you're getting on a floating dock, it's a great way to just walk seamlessly on and off without having to step over anything. 2 fish boxes in the floor on both sides. Gotta walk up this side, point out a large head compartment under the console. Find your battery switches down in there. Electric marine head. Sink. Glass around the T-top sides. You have a nice seat in front of your T-top. That is an insulated cooler that does drain. Just throw your drinks in here on ice. Don't have to worry about anything else. Large floor storage, great spot for any gear. 5-gallon bucket full of stuff. Backrests up here in the bow. They do just pop up and down, make it super easy. So when you are fishing, you don't need it in the way, you push it out of the way. You want a nice backrest to cruise, you got it. Storage under these, also insulated. Grab rails for safety, these are all stainless. As I'm looking back at the hardtop, you'll see the Garmin and a Razor light bar. And then your antenna for your VHF as well. Both of these boats come in standard with anchor system through the snap. Make stocking a breeze, you don't have to lug anything around. And also too, there's a freshwater wash here. Rinse out your anchor and chain. Keep that nice and clean inside. It's all around as well. And this does fold up so you get better access to your anchor as well too, and your lines. So again, this has been Lars Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Sailfish 272, give us a call, 609-494-2102. Thanks.